a little bit later than I like to be. That's because I was, you know, really cozy with my son, and I was like, okay, so it's making it a little bit more difficult to host meets. But anyways, let's go hang out with a few of you guys, and let's have a good time, man. Weather's perfect. Catch you guys there.
How you know that you have to leave your ex?
Yeah.
Because of the 240.
Your mama don't want to co-sign us? We can't be together.
Sorry.
Yeah. It's all good.
But it turned out good because I got...
You stole it in East LA, huh? He's like, that's my hood. Jeez.
I painted it back in...
655.
It was shiny like this, but it was pink.
Good morning.
What is this?
Yeah, because... Hey, how you doing?
Engine has been replaced?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you got a big setup.
No, it's only 1,000,000 miles on the original engine.
Yeah. No, I started with...
Okay, smartass. No, hold on, smartass. I have 355 of my original engine.
That's why I said...
That's what I'm saying. That's what I was asking.
You're almost there.
Freaking smartass.
680.
I just I need triple than what he has. Hopefully he shows us later on.
Yeah, he will. He will. He always does.
K serious? Nah, he's like no.
No, it's setup.
You know what it was? I had the problem with the idling. It was a compression. I only had 90 on one. So 175, 175, 175, and 90. And you see how fast it was even with that problem?
Yeah.
So I...
What are these? Are these from the Integra?
Huh?
Are these from the Integra? The LS's? The mesh? Yeah. I figured.
Oh, and I put back my air conditioner too. Fuck that.
You learned your lesson? Yep.
You fucking I got all that shit.
On. On.
He done my effing gay.
Yeah, for sure. You got one arm fucking black.
This is dope, man. It's a clean setup, man.
Yeah. I had a B16 fully built, but that only lasted about a year.
The way you drive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one I haven't blown up.
Well, you just replaced the head, right? How long ago?
No, I just last week.
Okay.
I took it to him Saturday, and then Don was at the shop. I said, hey, Don's at the shop, pick it up if you want. So boom.
Well, it's still early. Hopefully nothing happens.
Oh no, I already.
You already tested it?
Oh fuck yeah.
That's cool. What transmission?
It's an LSD.
Okay. Man, sick. Sick. Slam.
Actually, I bought it in '89.
Okay.
November of '89.
That's nuts, dude.
That's crazy.
I was 35 at the time, so you can guess how old I am now.
42. Nice.
Thank you. Let me give you a hug.
The fitment's on point. The fitment's on point. Look at that. Hey, but it needs more low in the front, no?
Because I rose it up a little bit on everywhere.
Why?
Well, because
Why?
it was too low.
You just camber a little bit more?
Yeah, it'll fit in the back. And
And it is
I
rubbing.
just got it aligned too.
Damn. Need a camber arms. That's it.
It has camber arms, but I went to True Works and that's what just put it. Because I just told him I'm just doing street driving. So.
Street driving? Damn. You gotta lower it more. This thing is bad. This thing is nice,
You
dude.
want me to get this fitment already?
Okay, this is exactly. Look at that. Jeez.
Hello?
That's sick.
Yo.
Oh, the sun's hitting my face. Life is good. Damn, this is a shot right here. Look at this. Half of the wheels exposed of the carbon fiber duct, air duct. I think it's sick, man. I think I've seen it at different events, but not too many. Speaking of Hatch Attack homies, they're gonna be hosting a meet. I think next Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, that's right there, right there.
I'm surprised it sticks out of the muscle.
That's gonna be the thumbnail right there. Yeah, another gentleman with their setup. Dude, everybody got their setup except me, man. I gotta step it up. Oh, this is nice. I love how the sun is hitting now coming from those trees. sliding this up. Sick. Very nice.
Now the main part.
Man, what a great turnout, man. Everybody is coming out. The security's already doing his thing of cruising around. But we should be out in a little bit. So the idea is, I met these gentlemen from they host a page called Steer by Grace, and they like cars and they're religious. I'm not very religious myself. I just believe in treating people with respect, and that goes a long way. But anywho, we had a little chat, and I was like, yeah, I'll be down to go and support your Cars and Coffee. So I was like, when are you guys hosting it? And they're like, oh, next Sunday. And I was like, oh, actually, I happen to be doing a Cars and Coffee type of run for my channel next Sunday, but it'd be cool if we meet you guys there. He's like, yeah, that's cool, man. All right, well, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go and hit up Steer by Grace Cars and Coffee. So it should be a fun time. Great turnout. This is exactly the number of cars that I love to see. New people, and you know, everybody comes out with a good attitude. That's what matters, man. That's honestly what matters, and that's what makes me the happiest. So yeah, hopefully this dude doesn't trip. Little private security, but we're just gonna hang out here for a few more minutes, and then after that we're gonna skedaddle and, you know, be on our way, so that way there's no issues. I tried looking for a spot originally in like not deep LA, Long Beach, but like in some industrial area, and I'm like, nah, the securities are, I've shot there before, and the security rolled up on us, and it was just two of us. So I can only imagine how he's gonna be if there's at least 10 cars show up, right? So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. And sure enough, you know, I'm trying to look for like an Albertson, somewhere where it's somewhat safe, and oh, sick. And even then, you know, they already are rolling up, so hopefully there's no issues. Hopefully he doesn't trip. But yeah, this thing looks so nice rolling, man, with the Rigas. Just slam. But like I said, it's always nice to see new people, just chilling, just having a chat. I don't know, man. That's what we're all about. A lot of clean cars. This gentleman I've seen so many times. I've never met him. I've seen him so many different meetings. Is it Jerry? Is it?
He said, I don't know why, bro, but I'm awake by 6 in the morning.
¿En qué llegaste, papi? ¿En qué llegaste?
Me vine con él. I don't know why, bro.
No te creas, en el verde.
Oh, you have that? Yeah. Oh, shoot, I didn't see that. Okay.
Más que te había ocupado ya con horas de que.
Celoso, tranquilo.
Don't ever take those off again.
Leave him on.
This cool little steering wheel. Integra shift arm. Esos están locos, güey. They're too high for it to be this early. The homie right here got his ZM1 back. He ended up swapping back the motor. I think he did a self-inflicted wound on the old motor, which was a little bit tired, and he ended up rebuilding it or getting a new one. I think he got a new one, and then put it back in last week or so. I think very, very recent. So glad you got the car back, bro. That's dope. So now we're gonna be chilling. We're waiting mostly a few people. I'm gonna check the DMs right now because most of the time I don't check it while I'm here, just when I hang out. But it's always somebody's like, hey, wait for me a little bit. So we'll see. Made it to Steer by Grace location. I think we have enough space, so that's good.